Today's video breaks down the best favepay hidden promos most users miss, even active ones. These promos are not always visible on the main dashboard, and they often rotate quietly based on usage behavior, transaction timing, and wallet activity. One of the most overlooked promos is the delayed cashback offer. After completing multiple small transactions in a short period, favepay sometimes credits a delayed reward between $2 and $10 within 24 to 72 hours. This reward rarely shows as pending and appears directly in the balance. Another hidden promo appears during low-traffic hours. Payments made late at night or early morning occasionally qualify for fee-free processing or partial refunds worth up to $3 per transaction. This applies mainly to bill payments and peer transfers. Referral stacking is another quiet advantage. When a referred user completes their first transaction, favepay sometimes credits the referrer twice. The first credit is instant, usually $5, while the second credit appears days later as a loyalty bonus without notification. Inactive wallet reactivation promos also exist. Accounts that go silent for weeks may receive a surprise balance boost between $3 and $7 after the next transaction. This is designed to bring users back but is never announced publicly. Merchant payment promos are also quietly enabled. Paying selected merchants triggers hidden discounts that reflect after payment, not before. These discounts range from $1 to $8 depending on transaction size and merchant category. Transaction streak rewards are another subtle feature. Consistent daily usage over several days can unlock a one-time bonus credited automatically. No banner appears, no alert sounds, and no message follows. These hidden favepay promos are real, active, and constantly rotating. Users who transact strategically, stay consistent, and watch their balance closely benefit the most.